It's Salman here from A Garden Revived, and welcome to episode 1, season 1 of A Garden Revived. It's a show where I take you along with my journey of developing my front garden and my back garden and transforming it into the secret garden of my dreams. The last time you saw me in this back garden space was January 31st of 2021, and it looked pretty different. I'll show you a few before and afters of what it looked like. So this is what the space looked like this time last year. And I did a lot of work, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears went into this spot. And then by the end of the season, it looked a lot like this. And I am so proud of the way the space was developed, but there is still a long way to go. That is what we're going to be doing on this Garden Revived journey. So you'll have to come back here tomorrow to see episode 2. I'll show you one more real quick before and after of a spot. Let's go back there. So here we are in the shaded garden space. I'll throw up a clip of what it looked like last year. And in season, I got a bunch of super pretty hostas planted in this spot. I got a hydrangea, some fern. We even had some heuchera planted. Just a very beautiful assortment of shade-loving plants and part sun-loving plants. And right now, everything is, in its hibernating state. It is, winter. But yeah. There's been a lot of improvements in the space. I'm excited for you to join me on this journey. I encourage you to subscribe. A year ago, I would not have even thought I would have close to 150 subscribers because I didn't even have 10 subscribers a year ago at this time. But you all have been super encouraging, leaving some of the best comments, and I really, really do appreciate it. I love watching people cultivate their gardens and show me before and afters, and it's just so much fun. And our Instagram community has been growing as well, which I'll link down below. Please go ahead and give that a follow. The space has a long way to go, but over the course of a year, we got so far with it. It was a lot of hard work. I was out here in like 102 or 3 degree weather, just like working my butt off, but I love it. And I want you all to be a part of this. I do love to show what I'm doing, and I love watching when other people work in their garden and show me what their plans are. I think it's so fun and inspiring. And I just really hope that you'll join me for the ride. Anyways, I am Salman from A Garden Revived, and I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.